True ba ito? Pinag-uusapan natin ang iba't ibang klase ng divination o panghuhula. Kanina we talked about seed reading as a way to see the future.
At ngayon, another exciting discussion about panghuhula through the face with Sir Sid. But before that, mag-face-to-face muna ang susunod na ating mga guests, one of the hottest love teams ngayon.
Yee! Sheena Halili and Rainier Castillo. Good
Hi.
evening!
Good evening. Welcome. Okay, at ngayon, tingnan nga natin kung nababasa ni Rainier at Sheena ang sinasabi nila to each other by reading each other's eyes.
Sweet naman ito. Ang game natin ay tinatawag na I do not. Alright, so mechanics, magtatanong kami sa inyo, answerable by I do or I don't. At bago niyo itaas ang placard, kailangan niyo munang magtitigan para malaman kung anong sagot ng isa't isa.
First question, yun. Do you find each other cute? So, pa-cute, eye to eye muna.
Eye to eye muna.
Ha?
Umiiwas agad ah.
Yun.
Already?
One, kailangan mo talking.
3. Yee!
Ah!
I do! Aba! Sweet ang dalawang to ah. O, ito na. Do you see yourself na may in love sa isa't isa? Titigan muna ulit. Bonggang-bonggang titigan.
Aba, nahihiya.
Puro buhok, puro buhok. Yee! Ay!
Ay!
May palo. Violent.
O, sagot. Ano kaya?
Ang sagot? Nako. I do. I do. Yan. Ang positive lahat ng sagot, ha?
Okay. Ayan. Ngayon naman, do you take each other as real-life sweethearts?
Good.
Real life.
Real life, ha? This is it.
Yeah.
This is it. I do agad. Takip lang.
Yun. Ready, get set, go. Ah.
Yee! Pwede! At dito na sila nagkatuluyan sa Full-Time Moms.
Yes.
Thank you, Sheena and Rainier. Yan, nagkabasahan na sila ng mata. Pero, gaano katotoo ba sa mata o sa mukha ng tao, mababasa ang ugali at ang future mo?
When it comes to face reading, may mga different levels of looking at it.
Okay.
But when it comes to yung general feature ng face, one thing lang yon. Generally, may three basic color shapes
Okay.
tayo. That's
Circle.
circle, oblong, and square.
Yeah.
Can we do the reading for
Oo,
all of
let's
them?
start na.
Okay. So when it comes to, I'll start with
Rainier first.
Kailangan super lapit ba?
Hindi naman po,
Hindi
kasi
naman.
can be in a distance.
Okay.
But mas clear, mas malapit, mas malinaw yung shapes.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll do first with Sir Rainier. Ang nakita kong shape ng face niya is similar to
Christine.
Ma'am Christine Oblong. But in a different way. Yung sa'yo, yung pagka-oblong ng face mo, there's this thing na in you na kailangan i-expand ka. So it's a matter of growing up ngayon. Not growing up in a sense of attitude, but growing up when it comes to kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari. So like kung gusto mo pa ng maraming career, grow up or expand more yourself and go out to your comfort zone. Okay?
So as you said, the face, what else aside from the shape of the face do you look at?
Okay, so I do look at then, besides the face, the lucky color of the person. So I call it the secret colors. So kay Sir Rainier, I do a reading na kanina, beforehand. Ang lumabas sa kanyang color is white and green. So
Based on the face?
based on the face lalabas, or we call it the aura. So lumalabas din po yun. Beside dun sa lucky color mo sa self mo, lumalabas din yun. So kay Sir Rainier, it's white. White is the color of purity.
So
it's
if
a
he
matter-
wears more white, mas swerte, mas maganda yung energy papasok na
Correct.
swerte.
Hindi lang po yun. It's a matter of wearing white, especially on his day of birth. Somewhat like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Kasi Rainier kasi kanina, nakita kong date of birth niya is Monday. Okay?
Oh.
So, wear white always on Monday. Follow my advice, you will be great.
Oh.
So, hindi lang better, great.
Okay. So we have the face, the aura, or your lucky colors, and then is there anything else?
Okay, so beside pa sa nakita ko dun, actually, i-combine ko na lang yung nakita ko sa kanya at saka kay Ma'am Sheena.
Okay.
So, it's a matter of combination of both. I-reveal ko kung ano yung general na nakita ko sa kanya. Kaya medyo significant yung answers nila kasi I do look on, hindi lang sa mata nila, but how they feel. Kasi I'm another Another gift given for me is a clairaudience. So I can hear simple heartbeats can be interpreted.
Oh,
So
okay.
I can also hear kung may problema sa puso ang isang tao.
I mean, physically as an
Physically,
illness. As an illness?
and as yung future niya.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so okay na yung kay Sir Rainier. I'll go on with Ma'am
Sheena.
Sheena Halili. Okay, so sa inyo po ang nakita ko, ang general face, face shape is round.
Round.
Okay, so round, ang ibig sabihin ng round shape, it's the shape of circle or money. So generally lahat ng pera, or siya yung, kay Sir Rainier, more on kailangan mag-expand. Kay Ma'am Sheena, kusang darating.
Oh, maswerte, ibig sabihin,
Maswerte
born lucky,
ang-
parang ganon.
Maswerte din ang color ng round, at yan ang mga mababait na tao.
Wow.
Wow.
One.
Sabi sa'yo, may mabenta ko eh.
So it's a matter of... So yung kabaitan, hindi lang panlabas, but kabaitan sa loob.
Nice.
Okay? So another thing, yung yung secret color ni Ma'am
Sheena.
is actually red and green. Although contrast siya,
Oo.
but red is the color of what you call this color of manipulation. So what you want, you will get. Simple things.
Just wear red.
Just wear red. Okay? So, another thing din doon, besides dun sa color, sa shape, I do look on yung kailan ko pinanganak. It's Friday. Okay. So, it's simple interpretation of Monday and Friday. Monday is the day of love and divination, while Friday is the day of fertility and love. So, significantly, yung Monday at Friday, parehas na silang may love. So, kung compatibility reading ang titignan natin, they are very much more compatible to each other.
Nice.
Another proof kung bakit sila compatible. Ikukombine natin yung white ni Sir Rainier
At saka,
at yung red ni Ma'am Sheena. It means pink.
Pink.
And generally, pink is the color of love. So, ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko, guys, yung mga fans nila, look forward sa team up netong dalawa.
Yahoo!
okay.
Teka, paubo lang ha.
May kilabot
Pengin
ako
mo.
naramdaman. It means,
I have a question. Paano pag yung shape ng face, does it change pag tumataba o pumapayat ng
Okay.
isang tao? Or,
so ang reading naman po dun is not on the physical shape, but on the aura.
okay.
Okay? Or yung inner shape, hindi lang dun sa, like, may curves. Kasi, pag na-aksidente ang tao, generally magde-deform. Or yung given deformed na siya at birth. So, ang titignan mo dun yung how the chi follows sa mukha ng tao. So, hindi lang basta shape ang titignan.
How about the eyes? Do you also
Okay.
read the eyes?
So, generally, the eyes is the window of our soul.
Yeah.
So, by the eyes, I look onto hindi lang siya shape, but inside the eye, or what's inside there. So, meron tayong tinatawag na visions, and sa inyo po, for example, I do see crosses in your eyes. So,
Crosses?
cross. So, it means, kung dadagdagan ang iyong pananalangin, it means magiging successful ka. And why? Bakit nag-appear yung cross sa eye mo? Naka-wear po kayo ng violet. Violet is the color of God or spirituality. So,
What if she was
nagre-reflect po
wearing
yun.
a different
Yeah, what if I
color?
wore? I
So
was
kung mag-wear po kayo ng different color, generally mag-iiba rin yan. It's a matter of yung condition ng self ang nakikita when it comes to the face.
Okay.
Or
Ang
kung
ano yung sa akin? Ano bang shape ng face?
Okay, kay Ma'am Suzy, ang nakita ko sa inyo is simply round na may halong oblong. So looking at it ay siguro father mo is round or si mother is round or combination ng round and oblong.
Okay.
And it means when it comes to your eyes, hindi lang, ang nakikita ko sa'yo more on pyramid. Pyramid is the shape of success or yung tinatawag natin triangle. That's why
Pyramiding to, guys.
po ang mga Egyptian is a very successful culture dahil nagtayo sila ng mga pyramids. Okay? Hindi lang doon. Pyramid, kung babalik tayo ng pyramid,
Yeah.
which is this one, it
Yes.
means getting blessing from above.
Ooh.
Okay? So, parehas kayo on the sides eh. Kaya I do look onto this side muna kasi this is more on growth and expansion.
Okay.
This side is more on blessings.
Wow! Kumusta naman, girl? Yes! So, parang yung sa'yo, di ba yung yung sa book, yung lost symbol?
Apa.
Diba yung the Mason, totoo ba yun?
Yes,
Diba
ma'am.
lahat ng mga pyramids?
Kasi I do say na isa dun sa mga, siguro isa sa mga staff nila nag-research no, is a psychic. So they do not just make
Stories,
films,
or yeah.
stories, they consult professionals.
Okay.
Interesting, syempre. At up next, after face reading, pupunta naman natin ang palm reading. Ano makikita sa inyong mga palad sa pagbabalik ng Full Time Moms?
Ang
Galing!